Hello and welcome back to ACARAndaQuestion. My name is Dustin Keller.
And I'm Jason Adams, and we'd like to thank you for joining us today. And a reminder to like us on our YouTube channel and subscribe to us on all of our socials for more fun videos.
Give us that thumbs up. Hello and welcome back to ACARAndaQuestion. Jason, here's a good one. What does the check engine light mean?
Ooh, the dreaded check engine light. It doesn't mean take a piece of electrical tape and stick it on there.
Yeah, that is not a way to fix that problem. So what does it mean when it comes on, Jason?
So first thing, I always recommend anytime there's a check engine light on, is we want to pull over and we want to try to assess the problem. So get to a safe space, pull over, try to assess what the problem could be. If you're having problems driving the vehicle, move it somewhere safe, give us a call immediately. If it's something that you can continue to drive, check all your gauges, make sure you're not overheating, make sure you've got oil, do all your basics, and then if you do think the vehicle needs towed, please give us a call. It's easier for us to tow it in than for you to drive it and make the problem worse.
Thank you, Jason. I also like to tell people, I ask them if it's flashing. So on and flashing are two different things. When it's flashing, it's actually an active misfire, which can cause additional damage to the engine, which means fuel is getting through and not being ignited properly, and you can have post-detonation in your exhaust system, which can damage catalytic converters. So engine lights are important. Let us know if we can help. Contact your parts supplier or your local service garage or one of our Alpha Automotive facilities, and we'd love to help you.